So today I'm about to show you how to create a project folder in Flow.io step by step. If you want to organize your workflows and keep everything clean and structured, this will help you set it up quickly. Let's get started. First, open Flow.io and go to your main dashboard. Once inside, look for new folder or create folder option like this. Click on it and start creating your folder. Now, enter a name for your folder based on your project or category. After that, click Create to finalize the folder. Your new folder will now appear in your dashboard, ready for you to organize your projects. For better organization, use clear and simple folder names and group similar projects together. Keep your dashboard clean and structured. And that's it. That's how to create a project folder in Flow.io. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, and comment down below what other topic you want me to break down next. I'll see you in the next one.